We're going to go with,
You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey traders, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Masters in Trading Live. Masters in Trading Live, every day the market's open. I get on here 11 o'clock Eastern time, go over the market, share some ideas, give you some color about where I think the market's going to go going forward. Busy week last week. Last week was all about Jackson Hole. Here's a trade that we see all the time. And traders were able to make a bunch of money last week. Jackson Hole was Friday. The trade started on Monday. And QQQs was trading at, I think, 475. Make sure I got that handle correct. Yeah. Last week, 475. And we talked about that being the big line in the sand. 475, above bullish, below bearish. But what ends up happening, and this is one you have to put in your memory bank because it happens all the time. Last week, quiet week, waiting for Jackson Hole. So the Qs, the overall market, went from 475 to 874 throughout the entire week, and then it slowly just sold off. Very predictable, okay? Now we want to see what the market does after Fed. So this week, we should start trending. 4 topics to cover today. 1, Katos. I started Masters in Trading Live at the end of February. The first name that we started talking about was Katos. And I would say, who the heck wouldn't want to be long attack drones? And I'm still saying the same thing because, sadly enough, in today's day and age, who doesn't want to be invested in attack drones? Then we got uranium. I want to go over some trades of last week. Our traders are absolutely crushing it. And then at the end, we're going to go over the QQQs and we're going to look for some short-term trade opportunities. Let's go to the PowerPoint. Let's see what we got. Katos. Katos is all about attack drones, right? So let's start here. Katos takes flight. Attack drone stocks soar. Katos. Geopolitical tensions drive demand. Global conflicts increase defense budgets. Katos stock soars. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. It's seeing significant stock growth. And then finally, some investor appeal. Now, for those who have been watching the program, Jay Rose, that's me, has been sharing Katos video after video after video. You can go to YouTube and search Jonathan Rose, search Masters in Trading. We'll find all the Katos videos. We want to be long attack drones. A big congrats to everybody who was able to take advantage of these trades. You see Kevin here locking in 300%. Eddie here had a great week. And then Bill was able to pick up some for 22 cents of Katos and flip out for $1.05 for a 300% plus winner. Congrats, guys. Those are some darn good Katos trades. Let's talk about uranium production because there was a massive uranium production cut. So therefore, all of the uranium stocks traded higher. We've been bullish on uranium since 2017. Masters in Trading. Again, always go to that YouTube channel if you want. Search uranium. You'll find bullish trades going back to 2017. The names that we look at in the uranium sector, CCJ is a U.S. uranium maker. The 4Us, DNN-LEU, another U.S. uranium producer, and then URA. So I don't want to get into this. I want to get you to the next slide because 10% cut to the expected world uranium supply. Okay? That caused uranium stocks to absolutely skyrocket across the board. Wednesday of last week, 821. Guys, this is spot uranium. Spot uranium is trading at $79. All the uranium names are moving higher. LEU is moving higher. 4Us is moving higher. Guys, CCJ is going to move higher too. 2 days later, last trade in uranium spot market, 2 days later, August 23rd, let's look at the updated uranium spot market. It was at 79, 82 bid, 83 bid, 84 bid, 88 bid. Because of production cuts, spot uranium price went bid, bid, bid. Uranium is going higher. We were able to lock in our uranium trades. Felix, I love you too. Thank you for sharing. Rick, great video. Sold my CCJ at 4.25. Thank you, JR. And then Jerry here as well sold his CCJ for about 140% gain. We love buying uranium on pullbacks. Great trade. Not only uranium, not only Katos, but darn it, everybody is just smiling in Discord last week. Ooh, this was out of order, but this was Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs comes out and talks about the uranium cut. This is a structural problem. They cannot ramp up. It won't just be the West saying this is an issue. It will be Russia and China saying it's a problem for all nuclear power plants. Production will be adding that next year's theme in the uranium market is tight. We want to buy uranium names on any pullbacks. If we can buy out of the money options and risk small to win big, that is what we absolutely love to do. Really, really sweet trades. What else did we do last week? We had big trades over 100%, not only in CCJ, we had them on Katos, and we had them on Wayfair as well. So that was really good trading. And this was the sweetest thing ever. On Friday, hello, new to Discord, I just wanted to say a big thank you to JR for the awesome chart on the effects of the Jackson Hole meeting last week. That educational excerpt and explanation of the movement allowed me to grab 191% on IWM, but better yet, it brought me to the Discord and it brought him into the advanced notice community. So this is a great thing. If you guys are out there watching and you're not part of our community yet, follow along. Many traders have been able to cover the cost of the community before they even joined. Just like my friend, just add a little color. So Wayfair trade, 823. Friday, just covered my all access fee. The year is young. Thank you. And then I was trying to be patient. 823 Friday. Welcome to all access. And then Dirk here sold W Friday, 119%. Awesome, awesome, awesome trades. Let's move on to the Qs. QQQ. Friday again, plug here, able to double his money in QQQ. But what do we have? Powell's speech at Jackson Hole suggests a more dovish stance, hinting at potential interest rate cuts. Okay? Supposedly, most likely, the odds are saying we're going to start cutting in September. The market reacting with heightened expectations, particularly in the Qs. Traders are eyeing potential opportunities as QQQ volatility presents unique market scenarios. So, let me pull up the QQQ chart, because in all access, we are going to talk about how to play some of this short-term movement in the QQQs, because you'll notice we are right at that line in the sand. So for everybody in our all access program, you guys don't go anywhere. For everybody else, hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of last week's trading week, and we'll be on here live tomorrow, 11 o'clock Eastern time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.